My second Nespresso machine arrived. My original one is in our RV, which I love having because this thing is so nice and compact. I'm putting this one in my studio. Normally I have a full big espresso machine here, but it died. So I need my little guy to do my quick pours for the day. Anyway, so I need to just bring out attention. Some people are talking about how it doesn't work. Water didn't, come out. Coffee didn't come out the first time using it. There's two things to note about these. You must have this pushed all the way down. The second thing is, before you do your coffee, as the instructions say, you need to run this with warm water, not hot, just run it a couple times. It basically primes and it'll clear. So the first time you do it, water may not come out. Just give it a few times, and it will eventually push through. Now it works out just fine. They do send the little testers, to sample and try, which is great. I already did a simple pour for my first one. Right now I'm going with a different version for a decaf because I just want the flavor, but I don't need the caffeine this morning of all times. I am going to set it to the bigger pour. Yes, the machine is a little loud, but it does a good job. If you put a mat underneath it, it can help to quiet it down. There are times I do wish it would pour a little hotter than it does, so I always preheat my mug prior to the pour. Or I should say pulling a shot. I'm not awake yet. Maybe I do need caffeine. Anyway, this little machine does work out great. A lot of the knockoffs, they have terrible little details. I love the fact that this just flips up. It's easy to go in. For cleaning wise, it's simple. The capsule's open, it drops in, it releases, you just pull out. Everything's like attached. You don't have 5 million parts. So anyway, hopefully that helps. But definitely, this is my second one and I would give it a go. They're a great company.
Zip. demasiado rico.
Just to let you know that this DeLonghi K-Cup coffee and espresso maker does leak. You put the K-Cup in, you close the machine, you put the coffee cup underneath, you press the button, and you'll immediately see water dripping in the bag. And there it goes, out the bottom of the cup as well. No idea. Don't buy it. It's no good.
you see this, I can't lift the lever. It's got jammed. It's impossible. It'll break.